Alice, Teddy, come here. Oh. Yes, Mom and Dad? We're gonna buy a new microwave today. Yay! Let's go! Alright, let's get in the car, kids. Here, babe, catch this. Ah! Oh my gosh, honey, are you okay? How dare you throw a microwave at me? I'm so sorry, I'll never do it again. Well, let's go buy it, shall we? Yeah, let's do it. What should we put in the microwave first? I'm gonna put Teddy in the microwave. Ah! Alice, did you just put a lullaby in the microwave? I did, yeah. Just go